2021 was the year we saw different crypto projects spring out from nowhere. We came to learn about NFTs, blockchain gaming, and most importantly, decentralized finance or DeFi. And one of the most popular DeFi projects in 2021 is PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain network. PancakeSwap basically allows its users to trade and swap their crypto into another form of cryptocurrency. I've seen PancakeSwap a couple of times already in YouTube and TikTok, but I never really understood what it was back then. I wasn't really serious in creating passive income from crypto, so I dismissed the videos from people making $1,000 a month to as high as $5,000 per month from the platform. It was only around the third quarter of 2021 that I started to look into these crypto passive income projects, so I decided to start investing in PancakeSwap in November. Now, I was supposed to make a 1-month result video back in December, but I got so slammed with different projects and holiday outings that I really couldn't make one. So here I am showing you what my results were with PancakeSwap after trying it for close to 3 months. So let's not waste any time, let's jump right into it. First, what is PancakeSwap? As mentioned earlier, PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain. It allows its users to trade Binance Coin or BNB and a variety of other BEP20 tokens. Due to its massive popularity and the amount of features that they provide, the platform saw exponential growth last year, making it the biggest automated market maker in the BSC network, even eclipsing Binance's decentralized exchange. Cake, or CAKE, is PancakeSwap's native token, and as of today, it has a circulating supply of 260 million cake. Since their supply is not hard capped or theoretically it's unlimited, PancakeSwap's team is always looking into burning their tokens to make deflation higher than emission. In simpler terms, the value of the token will keep going down because the token supply is unlimited. Also, PancakeSwap was founded back in 2020 by a group of anonymous developers backed or supported by Binance. And I know this could be a red flag to some people right away, but that doesn't automatically count the platform as a scam. Plus, the platform has been audited by cybersecurity firm Certic back in 2020. So what are the features of PancakeSwap? The platform offers a variety of services to help its users utilize the platform and maximize their income potential. First, they have their exchange where you can swap your own tokens for another tokens without having to go through a centralized exchange. Second is they have their own yield farming where you can provide liquidity to the pool where you get rewarded LP tokens or liquidity pool tokens, and in return you get rewarded for that as well. The third feature is called a syrup pool, or basically a staking pool. Here you can stake Cake or any other tokens, and then you get rewarded the same tokens based on an APY. Their fourth feature is called Lottery, where you pick 6 numbers and then you get rewarded from a predetermined prize pool when your numbers are picked. The fifth one is called Prediction. It's basically a simple prediction market where you predict the price of the BNB and USDT pairing at the end of 5 minutes. The sixth feature is an NFT marketplace. Here you can have your NFT collections get listed and then sold for BNB tokens. And then the next one is called Initial Farm Offerings, or IFO. Here you can buy new tokens that are launching in the BSC network by simply staking Cake in the IFO pool. And lastly, they have the voting feature. This is the governance feature of the PancakeSwap community. The community can affect change in the PancakeSwap ecosystem by voting on proposals made by the team and the community as well. So let's talk about my results after trying out PancakeSwap for 3 months. I've seen people making a lot of money in PancakeSwap's farms and syrup pools in 2021, so I decided to give it a shot. Since this was the first time I did it, I had to go through a lot of different hoops just to invest in the platform. I had to go through their documentation and even watch a lot of YouTube tutorials just to get started. But anyway, I invested $223 in PancakeSwap on November 18, and throughout the entire process, I paid around $6 worth of fees. $5 was to move my Cake from Qcoin to MetaMask, and then $1.12 to enable AutoCake and start staking. And after 11 weeks or close to 3 months in PancakeSwap, my $223 fell to $130, or a 41.7% decrease in value. It's a significant drop and something that I wasn't expecting when I got in. The biggest factor to this decline is because of Cake's price drop. I bought Cake at around $15, and at the time of this recording, it has dropped to $8. The first month of 2022 was not kind to a lot of cryptocurrency projects, so this was a very unfortunate circumstance to be in. But talking about the pros and cons of PancakeSwap, I can think of 2 pros to this platform. The first one is that it has very low fees. Compared to my previous project that I've announced before, which was Anchor Protocol. This one I only paid around $6 compared to that project. I paid around $30 just to get started. The second pro is that they have a variety of products and services that they can offer to help users maximize their earning potential. So if you don't like the syrup pools, then you can try farming. If you don't like any of the two, then you can just try your luck at the lottery or maybe even at prediction. As for the cons, I can think of two things. And the first one is that it's still not a beginner-friendly process. Similar to when I started Anchor Protocol, you still have to go through different hoops just to get started in the platform. The second con I can think of is that it's an inflationary token. Like I mentioned earlier, the token's price will keep going down because their supply is unlimited. The amount of cake tokens being created is higher than the amount of tokens being burned. And because of my results and some of the cons that I've just listed, I've decided to withdraw all of my investment from PancakeSwap. I know it hasn't been long and there might be some people out there who will say to me that, you know what, you should not have done that, you should not have pulled out all of your investment and just wait until the market recovers. But my thinking right now is to use that money for something else that is safer in nature, such as stable coins or even network tokens like Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche. There are a ton of projects out there, but right now I just can't see myself taking too much risks with DeFi projects. So I've decided to just limit myself to a couple and play on the safe side. Cryptocurrency is still a very exciting space, and I do have regrets from time to time because I see a lot of these projects that I really want to get in on, and unfortunately I just don't have the funds to actually get in on them. So I'm just gonna sit back for now, keep an eye on these select projects, and really take the time to research on them. And that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I hope you found this very helpful and informative. And if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my abilities. And if you have any suggestions for any projects at all, let me know in the comments so that I can look into them, research them, and decide if I want to invest. So if you like content just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload content just like this one. And also, if you are on Instagram, please add me there at DailyDread so that we can chat, collaborate, and maybe even exchange some ideas. Thank you again so much for watching the entire video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.